Okay, let's add a border to our snowflake blanket. You should have everything joined, all of your ends woven in. We have kind of a nice border now on the edges. And I'm just gonna start in the corner. This is the upper left-hand corner. You can start in any corner. I have my size 8 crochet hook. I have my Red Heart Super Saver worsted weight yarn in white. And I'm just gonna go ahead and join in my yarn in that corner, just in that chain 2 corner, and I'm going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do kind of a special stitch. It's going to create these little bobbles that kind of look like snowballs, and they're going to be really cute along our border. So in the chain 4, we're going to count down to that 3rd chain from hook. So 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to make a bobble stitch in this 3rd chain. So I'm going to yarn over, put my hook through that 3rd chain, pull up my yarn. So I have 3 hooks on my hook, 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and I'm just going to pull through 2. Now we're going to do this again and just pull through 2. We're going to continue doing that until we have 5 loops on our hook. So I yarned over, I pulled through again. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, so one more time. Yarn over, pull through. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops left on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all those loops, and then I'm going to slip stitch to that last chain, which creates this cute little snowball bobble is what I'm calling it. All right, so now we're going to single crochet in the next 8 stitches along our border here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that same thing we did over here. So yarn over in that 3rd chain from hook. We're making that bobble. Okay. Let me start that over so you guys can see. Okay. 3rd chain from hook. Here we go. Pull through 2. Yarn over. Pull through 2. Yarn over. 4 loops on my hook. Let's do this one more time. 5 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through, slip stitch to that last chain. Cute little bobble. And I'm going to continue back along the border. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do that again. Chain 4. Just doing those little bobble stitches there. Stitch to join, and single crochet in that next 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just see how this is turning out so far. How cute is this? Got our little snowballs with our little snowflakes. So cute. Let's continue. So I just single crocheted in those 8. So we're going to do that bobble stitch again. And really what we're just going to do, it's very simple. We're just going to repeat this all the way around. and 8. All right, so just keep going. Okay, if you're coming to the corner of your blanket, which I am, so I'm gonna do this, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do this little bobble here. Okay. So I'm going to count 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I kind of made it right before that corner. I'm just going to go ahead and work my one more stitch right here in the corner and do that bobble, so it just ends up nicely in the corner. So if you have, a couple extra when you get to one of your corners, just go ahead and make an extra stitch, just so it's nice. I mean, if that bothers you, if you don't necessarily want the little bobble on the corner, that is perfectly fine too. But I think it'll look nice if we, have one in each corner. You can see, there we go, and then just continue around. 1, 6, 7, 8. So there we are. Okay, we're coming to the end of this border. Okay, I think I got one last little bobble here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're at the end. So I didn't really get 8 stitches at the very end, but that's okay. It looks pretty even. We're back at the corner. So just go ahead and fasten off, or kind of I'm just gonna join kind of with a slip stitch right there at the bottom of that little bobble. And then we can just fasten off, weave in those ends, and look at this beautiful, beautiful border we have all along all the edges. Gorgeous. All right, so on our flower blanket, we are going to be doing the bobble border just like we did on our snowflake blanket. I think in this version, they look like cute little flower buds, especially if you crochet it using the retro stripe yarn instead of white like we did on the snowflake version. It looked like little snowballs. So you can either make the snowballs or you make the flower buds, and it works out perfectly.